Yes. Welcome students. So today we have already finished with for loop. Before that we have already finished with if statement also. So now the next topic in the iterative statements is while loop. Okay. So while mentioning, I have already told you that how many types of loops are there? There are two types of loops. Okay. We'll just quickly revise. So what are the two types? The first one is counting loop. Counting, and the another one is yes, it is conditional, meaning or the difference is counting knows the number of iterations. Counting knows the number of iterations, whereas conditional loop only knows when to stop. Okay, it only knows till when it has to continue. Okay, so that is the basic difference. So this is actually the basic difference between for loop. So for is the example of counting loop and while is the example of conditional loop. Okay, so out of this we have completed with the for loop. So now we will start with while. So what is while? While का simple meaning मैंने एक बताया था आपको, याद होगा तो? Yes, it is yes until जब तक, है ना? So while some condition is true, the repetitions will take place. Okay, so writing the syntax. Please note the syntax. Syntax is while, then there is some condition to be executed. While and then some condition. Of course, it is followed by semicolon to indicate that it is a group of statements to follow. Okay. Of course, here we will have the group of statements. Okay. So this nothing but becomes the block of the while loop. Okay. Block of the while loop with same indentation. So it is actually very simple syntax as compared to for. Why? Because in the for we had, of course, the keyword for. See, we will have a comparison. For, then we had a variable I, then in, and then we had a sequence. Okay, so there are lot many things. We need a variable. We need a sequence. To operate this, we also need an operator known as in. Okay. So here it is not the case. Here we have the keyword while and one single condition to be checked. If the condition is true, then the blocks will be getting executed. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So simple, we will check with the example. See, any example we can write. While a is less than 5. While a is less than 5, print a. See, is it the proper example of while? Is it? Please check. While a is less than 5, print a. See, this is the keyword while. This is the condition. Of course, there is a colon to indicate group of statements, and this is one single instruction. Okay. What do you find something odd or it is not right?
A is not specified.
Yes, A is not initialized. Yes. So in the while, we have to keep this in mind. Some specific things like whichever condition is true, the condition or the variable should be defined first. If it is to be less than 5, so it is like this. It can start with 1. Okay. So now, if a is 1, then we can have a condition working on that variable. A is less than 5. Yes. In this case now, a is less than 5. So this condition is now, say, true. This condition is true. Now while, how it works? This while will work only when this condition is true. Okay. Now at the first case, this is true. So it will enter the loop. It means the execution. The execution will enter the loop and this statement will get executed. Okay, print A. What about the next iteration? Iteration means the next time the loop executes, usko bolte hain iteration. Okay. So what will happen in the next iteration? See, this will indicate iteration. Next iteration, again this condition will be executed. Yes, it is checked. Again, A is found to be less than 5. Okay, so how many times it will execute?
5 times. No,
What?
4 times.
Yes, it will run infinite times. Why? Because we are not changing the value of 1. We are not changing the value. Therefore, this while, the syntax may seem simple, but it has to be, we have to be very careful while using this while, because while के पहले एक चीज होनी चाहिए. This is known as initialization. Okay. Then of course this block we already know. Okay. Then the last part, third we call it as, because second is the loop. Okay, second is the loop, and last part should be updation. Updation can come with two things: increment or decrement. So therefore we generally call it as updation. Okay, so now this is 1 going till 5, that means it has to be incremented. Okay, so it should come with this statement: a is equal to a plus 1, or whatever increment you want. You can put it 2 also, but at least it should move forward, na? Okay, so in that case, so the questions in this regard are as such, like some condition is given, some initialization is given, this is also given, this statement is also given, but the statement is written false. Like, now what will happen? It makes no sense. Why? Already it is value 1, already it is less than 5, and what is the updation? It is still going less than 1. So anyway it will enter into the infinite loop. Okay, so you have to be very specific while using the while, है ना? So while condition में सबसे ज्यादा important क्या है? ये दो चीजें. Loop and its syntax is not a big deal. Okay, loop and its syntax, it is very easy. What is the syntax? While keyword, then the condition, and then of course the group of statements. That is very much clear. What we have to do is separately, other than the syntax, we have to initialize the variable used in the condition. We also have to update that variable used in the condition. Got this? Okay. Yes, students, please see this example. Here we have to display the squares of the numbers less than 10. So less than 10 is our basic condition. Okay, less than 10. So we can start writing with while some number, take n, should be less than 10. Okay, less than 10. Then we have to, what we have to see? We have to just display the squares. So we can write print statement where it is n into n. So n square will get printed. Okay, now what remains? What remains? Initialization and updation. So this n will take the initial value as per your requirement. So we can start it with 0 also or 1 also. But 0 square doesn't matter, so therefore we will start with 1. And what remains? Again the updation. So updation, we will definitely put it in the loop. If you put it outside the loop, it won't make sense. Okay, so we'll have to put it in the loop. So what is the increment? We will increment it by 1. See? Clear? Okay.